Hello reception. Today we're learning a brand new sound from the start of group 4. So we've already finished groups 1, 2 and 3 and now we're moving on to group 4. Today is quite a special sound because it's a special friend and we'll get there in a minute. So have a look at our numbers. Number 1, we're going to whiz through groups 1 to 3 to check that you know your sounds. Number 2, we'll meet our new special friend, A. And lastly, number 3, you're going to read and match the words. So to start with, you don't need anything, just your looking eyes and your hands free so that you can do the gestures of the sounds. So here we have groups 1, 2 and 3. You can either look at these pictures on your screen or you can get your flashcards or your tiles out and go through the sounds that we already know. So when you're ready, go through all of these sounds on your own or with a grown-up, doing the actions and saying the sound. Pause the video. So now you should have gone through groups 1, 2 and 3. If there were any that you got a little bit stuck on, then make sure that you practice those ones even more this week. So our new sound today is A. A. Look at me down here. A. The story for this one is that a little boy was taken to the doctor's because he couldn't hear very well, and he kept saying, A, A, A. The doctor has a look inside and then removes all of the wax from his ears, and now he no longer says A. Look very carefully at our sound A. I could put the magic pen on it for you so that you can look at it closely. A. Which letters that we already know make up the special friend A? Tell me now, which ones make up A? We've got A and we've got I. Now when we see A and I together, they are a special friend. So we just say A. If you see A and I together, what do you say? A. All right, so let's sound out this word down here together because you know all of these sounds. All right, first we see a P. A. Can you blend? P. A. That word is pain. 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 Well done. There's some more words for us to sound out here. I will point and sound them out and you need to blend them. Are you ready? A. What am I saying? Aim. How about this one? A. Rain. Rain. What about this word? A. Or. Snail. Snail. And the last one. Ain. Train. Train. Fantastic. Let's try now writing our A sound together. You can go and get your whiteboard and your pen or your paper and your pencil now. When you're ready with your paper, you can start writing A. Let's practice. We need an A, which we all know is a caterpillar letter, and next to it, I, with a tail and a dot. So try writing A now. Let's try it together again. A. The sound is A, and it's a special friend. You don't need to put the line underneath. You just need to remember that it's a special friend. If you've got your lined paper, why not try writing on the line? A. Let's go, everybody. This is our third A. Let's do number 4 and then number 5. A. Number 5 is our last one. A. Well done, everybody. I know that lots of you have been trying really hard to get your beautiful writing on the line, and that is really, really super. Well done if it's you that is trying that really nicely. Okay, so everybody, as loud as you can now, tell me, what's our sound today? A. Fantastic. All right, now this job, you can find it on your Dropbox or you can find it on Class Dojo. And your job is to sound out the words and match them up. Let's do the first one together. A, L. Male. So I'm going to have a look over here. We've got nail, train, rain, snail, and male. Aha, this is the male here. So I'm going to match it up. Now, what I can do is copy the word male on the line. I can copy it by looking back over here and seeing it. But if I'm feeling like a challenge, I could hide that side and try writing male on my own. So let me show you. Let's move me out the way. I'm feeling confident, so I'm going to sound out male. A, O. I'm going to put my dots to help me. A, O. And just remind myself, A, O. And now I'm going to write it. A, O. So it's up to you today. You can read and match and then copy the words, or you can try and challenge yourself. Hide the words and sound out for yourself and maybe build it with your flashcards or write it straight onto the paper. Good luck, everybody, and I can't wait to see what you get up to. I've done you an extra bit today. I've read you a story called The Snail Brings the Mail. So I hope you enjoy that story as well, all about our A sound. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more Group 4 phonics.